I'm sorry that was short, so I'm just continuing from this spot. I just did. This seems yummy sandwich. Wait, do you want me to stay with you? No, you can go back to the table. No, I'll stay with you. Okay. Get my glasses back on. Keep flying. Oh no. I guess I pretty much have to get this. I want this, I want some chicken. Definitely want this. Seems good. Okay, that's all I want. Guys, I have a cough. So. In my other videos, if you watch them maybe, or I didn't probably upload it, that they probably I didn't probably, but I said I'm sick. Oh no, stop it. I'll make the sandwich for me. Okay, I'll just melt this. Let's try to put something spicy so she doesn't remember and she breaks up with her friend. That should be good. And guys, I'm really sorry. Okay, thank you. I'll finish it later.